Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new ASUS TUF Gaming F16 gaming laptop, a rugged, powerful, and budget-friendly beast for 2025. Before we dive in, don't forget to check the link below to grab yours today at the best discounted price. Fire emoji, design and build. The TUF series is known for durability, and the F16 continues that tradition. With a 16-inch chassis, military-grade toughness, and a sleek gamer aesthetic, this laptop is built to handle both daily use and intense gaming sessions. The 1610 Full HD Plus IPS-Level display with 144Hz refresh rate makes your games look smooth and vibrant, giving you an edge in fast-paced action. High voltage sign emoji, performance. Under the hood, you've got the Intel Core i5-210H processor paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU. This combo delivers excellent mid-range performance, perfect for 1080p and 1440p gaming with ray tracing support. Whether you're into eSports titles or AAA blockbusters, you'll get stable frame rates and smooth gameplay. Brain emoji, memory and storage. With 16GB DDR5 RAM, multitasking is seamless, stream, game, and browse all at once without slowdowns. The 512GB PCIe Gen4 SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and enough storage for your favorite titles, with upgrade options available if you need more space. Cyclone emoji, cooling and features. ASUS has equipped the F16 with improved cooling solutions to keep temps under control during marathon sessions. You'll also get customizable RGB keyboard lighting, solid audio, and plenty of ports for your gaming gear. Video game emoji, gaming experience. This is a value-focused gaming laptop that balances power and portability. Expect smooth gameplay on a wide range of modern games, great thermals, and a solid build that can take a beating, exactly what you want from a TUF series machine. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The ASUS TUF Gaming F16, 2025, is a fantastic choice for gamers who want a reliable, affordable, and performance-driven laptop. With its 144Hz display, RTX 4050 graphics, and durable build, it's easily one of the best mid-range gaming laptops this year. Right pointing finger emoji, don't wait, check the link in the description and grab it today at the best deal available.